Jai Bharat, my dear student.
Jai Bharat, ma'am.
Welcome to this farewell program.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, myself D. Akila. I am working as a maths teacher in this school. I am from Velmal. What about yourself?
My name is P. Anish Kumar. I am from third class. My school name is Sri Saraswati Vidyaniketam. My father name is Harish. My mother name is Sri Kanya. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, are you ready to this competition?
Yes, ma'am. I am ready.
All the best.
Thank you, ma'am.
Your first word is believe.
B-E-L-I-E-V-E.
Explain.
E-S-P-L-A-I-N.
Famous.
F-A-M-O-U-S.
Octopus.
O-C-T-O-P-U-S.
Location.
L-O-C-A-T-I-O-N.
Very good. Invitation.
I-N-V-I-T-A-T-I-O-N.
Very good. Sensible.
S-E-N-S-I-B-L-E. Sensible.
Creation.
C-R-E-A-T-I-O-N.
Pleasure.
P-L-E-A-S-U-R-E.
Address.
A-D-D-R-E-S-S.
Okay. Your GK question. First one is, who wrote our national anthem? Who wrote our national anthem?
Rabindranath Tagore.
Good. How many hours are there in a day?
24.
Good. How many districts are there in Telangana state?
33.
What is our national song?
Janaganamana.
Wrong. Who is current chief minister?
Anunga Revanth Reddy.
Okay, well done, my boy. How did you feel about this program?
I felt very happy. Thank you, ma'am.
Very good. Asha.